Guys, it is me, Jaden. Today we are going to a 76 gas station with this new car wash. I mean, let's go in. I mean, put your thing up. Put your thing up. We're going to the We're going to the bay. Is it time to go? Okay, I guess we're going to the bay, but we have to pay. Enter the code. Lunar wash or jet wash? Hyper wash or what you want to pick? Okay, we're going to the bay. Okay. We're going to the bay. Okay. I guess let's go. I don't smell it. What's up, Mac? Okay, we're going to the bay. Jeez, big bump. We got in here. It's a little awkward. Okay, let's go into the bay. We have to wait. This guy will go down. So, soft glass MAXX 5 or Ryko. Come on, let's get in. Come on, let's get in. Oh, no, wait. Stop. Okay, now let's start with our triple foam. Okay, start with our tri-foam here. Now we'll start with our tri-foam, and here we go. Here the wash begin. Here the wash begin. Yay. Here we go. Here the wash begin. The brushes are spinning now. Okay. Glasses on the sides. Yes, the bolts are moving. Yay, the bolts are moving. I am so happy. Yes, they're moving. Okay, the bolts are moving. And here we go with that. Top brush is going down. Oh. Okay, here we go with this. Pump. Okay, here we go. Soft gloss MAXX 5. You still do this, man. Oh, no. Okay, now it's gonna rinse. Okay, go. Okay, I guess we're going dryering now. Going dryering. No. Big bump we got here. It's a little awkward. Okay, here we go. Dryering. Okay, I guess we're dryering now. Drying with this lunar wash. Almost freak out. Almost freak out. Okay. Oh, there he is. It is a loud one. It is a loud one. down. Okay, thank you guys for watching the 76 gas station car wash. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.